Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, if you're not sure what I mean by 4-hour because you're new to charts, instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called and as they're commonly referred to, instead of each one of those representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So I get it. This here may look like a couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder with Bitcoin, it is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload the video, then yeah, the chart might look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the big dynamic that's occurred here over the past kind of as a little recap is that the price ultimately broke down through that key area of support down there at 10,500, and things were looking really, really bad. But to give credit where credit's due, the bulls showed up in a very big way and have since been fighting back from that break. So much so that not only did the price get back up to 10,500, it just kept on going, and as of right now, it's continuing to go. So much so that actually the first question that I think makes the most sense to ask yourself, so let's just use the 20-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 20 hours from now, is question number one, where is the price at relative to 11,100, which is the resistance up there. Now, that doesn't mean that it's for sure going to break up above there, but I mean, with the trajectory that it's at and the trend that's been going on over the past few days, it makes logical sense to now be factoring in that level. So if somehow you're answering the question that the price is up above 11,100, that would be telling you that not only has this bullish move continue, but it's gotten just that much stronger because now the price is broken up above a very significant area on the chart. Now, with all that being said, if you're answering the question that the price is still down below 11,100, that doesn't mean that anything's wrong with the chart or anything. It just means it's not quite as strong as it could be. But the next question you would definitely want to ask yourself is, well, let's just make sure that the price is at least still up above 10,500. So again, if you are answering the question that the price is down below 11,100, the next question would be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 10,500? And as long as you're saying that the price is up above 10,500, that would just mean that it's still a healthy consolidation. Now, if somehow you're answering the question that the price is all of a sudden down below 10,500, that would imply that this current move here has totally failed to not only go back to that level, but then to keep on going. And that would be a very bearish situation. Now, I'd be pretty surprised if you were answering the question that the price is down below 10,500. But nonetheless, those are going to be the main levels that you're going to want to keep an eye on and those key questions to walk yourself through. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.